day. Okay, so you can see the people who were struggling, even just listen to that command of just rest. They're just like, okay, I gotta do something. It's Saturday. I gotta go. I got something to do. But he's saying just rest. Rest. You will see here in Exodus 20, when he established it as a command, as a part of his commandment, the fourth commandment. Exodus 20 from verse 8 to 11. It says, remember the Sabbath day. Because he says remember, it's important because he knew it's going to be a point of time that, people will forget about it, or want to change it. Remember the Sabbath day to set it apart. 6 days you labor and shall do all your work. But the seventh day is the Sabbath of Yahweh your Elohim. You do not do any work. You, nor your son, nor your daughter, nor your male servant, nor your female servant, nor your cattle or stranger, or your sojourner who is within your gates. For in 6 days Yahweh made the heavens and the earth, the sea and all that's in them, and rested the seventh day. Therefore Yahweh blessed the Sabbath day and set it apart. So it's very important to him, okay, to rest on that day. In Isaiah 58, verse 13, if you do turn back your foot from the Sabbath, from doing your pleasure on my set-apart day, and shall call the Sabbath a delight, the set-apart day of Yahweh esteemed, and shall esteem it, not doing your own ways, nor finding your own pleasure, nor speaking your own words, then you shall delight yourself in Yahweh, and I shall cause you to ride on the heights of the earth, and feed you with the inheritance of Jacob, your father. For the mouth of Yahweh has spoken. So the Sabbath day is very important. We are to enter into it, and there's blessings that come with it. Shalom. Thank you for listening. Bless y'all.